Sawadee. You probably have seen this gesture if you have ever been to Thailand, and it's the Wai in Thai language. Did you know it's actually an ancient spiritual practice that travels cross continents? And today we are diving into the fascinating story of how a sacred Indian gesture became Thailand's iconic greeting. Picture this ancient India where holy men use special hand positions called mudras to share spiritual messages. One of these, the Anjali Mudra, involved pressing palms together at the chest to show devotion. When Buddhism traveled to Southeast Asia in the 1st to 2nd century, something magical happened. While most religious hand gestures stayed in temples, the Anjali Mudra stepped into everyday life. Over centuries, it's evolved into what Thai people now call the Wai. But here's the thing, the Wai isn't just a greeting. According to the Royal Institute Dictionary, it's a gesture that speaks volumes without words. It shows respect, expresses gratitude, and can even ask for forgiveness. Let me show you the differences between 3 types of the Wai. The basic Wai started with your 2 palms put together, but the height tells a whole story. When greeting monks or at temples, your thumbs touch your forehead and your finger point upward. So this is the highest and most respectful form. For parents, teachers, and elders, your thumbs reach the tip of your nose, honoring those who have guided your path. And for friends and equals, keep your thumb at chin level with a gentle nod. So it's warm but very respectful. Every slight difference in height carries centuries of meaning about respect, hierarchy, and relationships. Now, let me share something fascinating, the Wai Kru ceremony, a beautiful tradition where Thai students honor their teachers. In schools, students present flowers and candles in an elaborate ceremony to their teachers. It's very heartwarming to watch it. But this tradition takes an incredible form in Muay Thai boxing. Do you know, before each fight, warriors perform the Wai Kru Muay Thai, a mesmerizing ritual dance that's far more than just a warm-up, as hundreds of spectators fall silent at places like the legendary Ratchadamnern Stadium. Fighters gracefully move in a centuries-old dance, paying respect to their teachers through every step and gesture. So whether in a regular classroom or boxing ring, the Wai Kru shows how deeply Thai culture values the sacred bond between student and teacher. The next time you see someone perform a Wai, remember you are witnessing more than just a greeting. You are seeing a piece of living history, a gesture that travels across continents and centuries to become something uniquely Thai. It's a beautiful reminder that in Thai culture, every interaction is an opportunity to show grace and respect. And if you are interested in learning more about Thai language, Thai culture, I highly recommend you to try Ling, the best app for you to learn Thai with more than 200 lessons, covering everything you need from beginner to even expert level, with a lot of fun and interactive games to make your learning more joyful. Click the link in the description below to get a free 7-day trial. Let me know if you like it. And I see you in the next video.